Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then my name is Aarya Sharma and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and travel. If you haven't subscribed it, please do, and also check out my Instagram page Aarya_AS. I've linked it down below as well. So today's video is an interesting one. It's not a haul, it's something that I have been trying to be creative with, and these pieces are all the clothes that I had already in my wardrobe for like many years, at least 2-3 years. So today's video is a styling one, and I'm going to style a white t-shirt with different outfits. In this video I'm going to show you how you can style a white t-shirt from day to evening, from going out to like being casual. So let's begin. So I'm going to begin with the white top that I'm talking about. I have had this for like 2 years and I keep replacing them because they are so affordable. This is from H&M and this is only £3.99 and it's ripped kind of effect and it's quite fitting on your body as well. So I love this t-shirt. Even if it gets old, I keep replacing them. Like I've had like 3-4 so far. I have had this for many years and I still love them, and I pair them with like almost everything. So the first outfit that I'm going to talk about is pairing this white top with a jeans. Ta-da! I know this is the most basic outfit that anyone can think of, but trust me, this look never fails. In this super casual look, I have paired this with a blue Levi's jeans and a belt. You can pair this with white jeans or like black jeans as well, and then like you can layer them up, you can pair them with heels and also trainers. Even though this is the most basic look, I think in the summer this is one of the easiest way to dress up, and I think a white top and a jeans like suits everyone. You don't really have to think a lot about what to wear, and I'm sure everyone, literally everyone, have these kind of top and jeans in their wardrobe. You don't necessarily have to buy clothes almost every single week, because once you start planning, you can recreate and be creative with your outfit in a lot of ways. So I'm going to show you just one simple example today, and that's what today's video is about. So this first look is a daytime, very casual and minimal kind of look. Of course you can dress it up by wearing heels or like jewelries. I have tried to make it as interesting as possible with some necklaces and watch and like bracelets kind of jewelry. This is how you can play it up as well, and you can make the most basic outfit look good. So the next outfit that I'm going to pair this white top is with this skirt. In my previous video I mentioned this skirt and how I love the details and the crop effect. I have mentioned previously as well, this skirt is super affordable, like 22 pounds, and I think it's still on sale. This is from Topshop, size 8. So both of these pieces are very affordable, but once you pair them right, then it can be very expensive looking, even though you pay a very little price. Even with this skirt you can make it very casual with trainers or like pair them with heels. So I'm going to style this at the end part of this video, so you have to watch this video till the end. So the next outfit that I can pair this white top is this with midi skirt. It is this animal print skirt which I have had for like 3 years and I have worn them so much. If you guys have seen my Carding Mill Valley vlog, then I have worn this skirt with like a white crop top, and I love this skirt so much. It's so easy to wear. This is from River Island, size 8. I'm not sure if they still have this kind of prints, but definitely they have similar styles. So if I find something similar, then I'll link it down below, and you can see the styling part again at the end part of this video. So the next outfit I'm going to pair this white top is a shorts. This is probably my most favorite shorts, but I haven't had the chance to wear them yet. I bought them before the lockdown, so this is probably the only item that is quite new in this video. This is from River Island and they are still in stock. The buttons, the gold details are so good. I absolutely love them, and this is again size 8 River Island. I'm planning to dress it up in a very interesting way, so you have to watch the styling part of this video to see how I style this, and this is going to be my favorite look. So another outfit idea that you can pair this with white top is this dress. Yes guys, a dress with a white top. This is probably my favorite slip dress. I have had this for like 3 years again from River Island. As you can see, I'm a big fan of River Island. This is size 6. I bought them when I was like super skinny, but I haven't worn them this year, so I'm going to try them on for the first time this year. I hope still fits. So I have chosen only 2 pairs of shoes to pair with all these outfits, and the first one is this white trainers. It's from Nike. These white trainers, I have had them for like 3 years, and I think it's about time that I get a new one because it looks a bit worn out. And the next pair of shoes is my favorite. I have probably talked about them for like so much even in these videos, and it is this strappy sandals from Topshop. So today's video is all about recreating your outfits and using the outfits that you have already owned in your wardrobes so that you don't have to waste a lot of money to buy clothes and still look good almost every day. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you loved today's video. I hope it was useful to you. I'm pretty sure the pieces that I've shown you in this video to pair with this white top, I guess most of you already have those pieces or at least similar designs. If you loved this video and thought the ideas were useful to you, then please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share your thoughts. And if you want me to make any other kind of videos, then please let me know. Share your thoughts about how you're finding my videos and how you want me to make in the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also check me out on my Instagram page. It's Aarya_AS. Hope you enjoyed today's video, so I will see you in the next one. Bye!